Discover the top cancer treatment options in India, including procedures, types, costs, best hospitals, success rates, and inspiring success stories. Uncover the best healthcare facilities and success stories for cancer treatment. Gain insights into the leading cancer treatments in India and the success rates of various procedures. Explore the cost-effective options, best hospitals, and real-life success stories in cancer treatment. Cancer treatment procedures in India. Cancer treatment in India encompasses a wide range of procedures tailored to each patient's specific needs. Some of the common treatment options available in India include surgery. Surgical procedures are often used to remove tumors and cancerous tissues. Chemotherapy. This treatment involves the use of drugs to kill cancer cells. Radiation therapy. High-energy radiation is used to target and destroy cancer cells. Immunotherapy. This innovative treatment harnesses the body's immune system to fight cancer. Targeted therapy. Targeted drugs are used to attack specific abnormalities within cancer cells. Types of cancer treated in India. Indian hospitals are equipped to treat various types of cancer, including but not limited to breast cancer, lung cancer, prostate cancer, colorectal cancer, ovarian cancer, pancreatic cancer, oral cancer, blood cancer, and more. Costs of cancer treatment in India. One of the key advantages of seeking cancer treatment in India is the relatively lower costs compared to Western countries. The cost of cancer treatment in India can vary depending on the type of cancer, stage of cancer, and treatment plan. On average, the cost of cancer treatment in India can be up to 60 to 70% lower than in the US or UK, making it a more affordable option for many patients. Best hospitals for cancer treatment in India. India is home to several world-renowned hospitals that specialize in cancer treatment. Some of the best hospitals known for their expertise in oncology include Medanta the Medicity, Gurugram, a leading healthcare institution with state-of-the-art facilities and a team of expert oncologists. Marengo Sims Hospital, Ahmedabad, a premier cancer treatment center known for its multidisciplinary approach and cutting-edge research. Artemis Hospital, Gurgaon, a prestigious private hospital offering comprehensive cancer care services. Success rates in cancer treatment. Indian hospitals have consistently achieved high success rates in cancer treatment thanks to the expertise of their healthcare professionals and the availability of advanced technologies. The success rates vary depending on the type and stage of cancer, but overall, patients in India have access to quality care that leads to positive outcomes. Inspiring success stories in cancer treatment. One of the most powerful aspects of cancer treatment in India is the countless success stories that emerge from patients who have battled and overcome cancer. These stories serve as a beacon of hope for others facing similar challenges and highlight the resilience and strength of the human spirit. Thank you for watching. Please visit www.wellnessdestinationindia.com for more information.